If you want to be making money selling online, drop shipping products, e-commerce business, you need to focus on delivering quality products and trendy products. That is the only way that you can actually make money on e-commerce products. Right now, I'm going to be showing you the items we got on 1688 that was cleared for 1,516 naira per dollar. All the items, both the logistics and everything, was gotten for 220,000 naira, which I got them. And when you convert them to dollars, you are going to get like $132 right now. Guys, let's dive into this video because while I'm showing this thing, I heard a lot of people are complaining that they don't make money on their e-commerce business. I'm not going to teach you how to sell online right now because I have a lot of videos that I have made on that. And another thing is your target audience. Like when I started my business, I was focusing on ladies. But unfortunately, the ladies were not coming by to buy me items. So I had to switch to men items. Right now, currently, I'm selling mostly men's shoes. And it's been wonderful for 2 good years that I've been selling these items. Right now, let us unveil these items and let me show you what I got. You can get good quality products on the 1688. Don't mind them when they tell you that there's nothing good in China. Almost all the products that people are wearing today are from China. There's no doubt about it. So let's go, guys. So this is the first item I'm going to show you. This is the slippers, and it's from Sabona. These slippers is a very good deal. Let me show you right now. You will know what I'm talking about. So look at this slippers. Is a very beautiful slippers. Look at it. This is very good. Look at the leather. This is nice. These slippers will be going for 35,000 naira. That's the item. How much I'm going to sell it. So it has been paid for because I normally deal on pre-order items. So when they pre-order, and I'll shop for them. Look at it. This is very nice and beautiful. See the leather. Look at the back. You know that this item is going to last. And my customer ordered for this particular item, and this shoe is very nice. The next item I'm going to show you is these sneakers. Wow, when they talk about trainers, I sell good trainers, and there are quite lots of trainers. China people, they have good trainers. No matter the amount of money that you want to buy your trainers, 300k trainers day, $1,000 trainers day, $100,000 trainers day, any amount that you want to buy. This is a good trainer, affordable for any, for an average man or anybody that likes it. It's affordable. It's going for 35,000 naira or so. I got them like two pairs. So it's a very nice trainer. Look at the boss. Okay, this is the boss of the shoe. So this trainer is a very good one. I got them 2 pairs. So that's it. You can see it's a very nice trainer. I'm going to be showing you another item I got in 1688, and this is a boss of shoe. This trainer actually is a very good trainer, and this is good, guys. This is very beautiful. The trainers is going also for 35,000 naira. I know you will love it. Look at the sole. This is very beautiful, guys. Can you see it? Look at it. The sweat trainers, and I know you will love it. It's very beautiful and affordable for people that loves buying good things, guys. And the father also sell his shoes. The father said, I need a shoe for my baby boy, and this is a shoe I got for a boy. This boot actually is 15,000 naira. It was supposed to go for 10,000 naira on a normal day, but because of the dollar rate, the dollar is too high. So what do we do to meet up? You also increase your money. So this is that. This shoe is good. Easy wear for young boys, a 1-year-old 23 size. Another item I'm going to show you right now is this particular item. This item is trending right now, and the customer ordered for it. So let's see how it is. This is a white color that I am going to show you right now, guys. This is very beautiful. I love it. You see this design? I love it. That is what made this item to be more beautiful. You see, we're in rainy season right now, and this is strong. In case you are looking, you will see this item in case you want to purchase it for your customer. It is good. It has up to 45 size, honestly, And this is the black one. Let me show you the black one right now. This black is very, very beautiful, guys. As you can see, let me show you the black color. So which one would you rock more? From this shoe, I now found out that I love white color. The white is now my best color. Look at it. I'm going to rock the white color. Which one do you like, guys? Let me see on the comment section the one that you love most. The white or the black? For me, I love white colors. This is very beautiful. I'm going to show you another trending item that I got. This is trending right now, and I love the sole so much. This is actually good. Right now we're in rainy season, and most of the items I'm selling right now are some of these PVC items because of the weather. People love to, secure their leather shoes. So we are going more on these particular items right now. This one is going. Okay, I forgot to tell you that this item is being sold for 18,000 naira. That's the amount I'm selling it. And if they give me 20,000 naira, I am still going to collect it, guys. So it's very nice and it's going to last for anybody that is interested in buying these particular items. And right now I have this. This is nice. It's simple. It doesn't have weight. Look at the back. It's an easy wear. You can rock it inside your house casually, or it's a casual wear. It is very, very nice, guys. So I got them for two pairs. It's going for 15,000 naira. If you give me 18,000 naira, 20,000 naira, I am going to definitely collect this particular item. I'm going to show you another item because we are not done here right now, guys. Just hold on. So I have this particular easy wear items, and guys, this is nice. This is an easy wear. I have them like four pairs, people ordered for it, and it's a good one. So let me show you what it looks like inside. This is how it looks like. This is an easy wear. I sell mostly easy wears. Easy wears are moving. They are moving. They are the market. They are the gold. So if you need them PVC, you can start marketing them. PVCs are selling right now because people, once they wake up, they just pull up and go their way. This is actually very, very nice, and you can start selling your own items, guys. Look at it. It's very, very strong. It's very strong, and it's a very good one, guys. And the next item I'm going to unbox right now without wasting your time is socks. This is a socks. These socks, I bought them like this, and it's going to be sold for 8,000 naira. This is a high quality socks. For any size, one size fits all. As you can see, this is a very good source. So one customer ordered for it, and I have to get it for them on 1688. Guys, if you enjoy watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to start shopping your items from e-commerce site like 1688, put it on the comment section. I can actually help you, to start buying on e-com or 1688. So baby girl, Ebys'Lady, this is where I'm going to stop this video right now, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, find time right now to subscribe to my channel. It's a baby girl, Ebys'Lady. This wristwatch was gotten on 1688.com, and I've been rocking it for 2 years. It's not gold, but it's a good one. Look at it. It's nice and beautiful, guys. See you next time, and bye bye, guys.